Today we're discussing how to remove stolen videos from YouTube. Here's how you can protect your content and get it taken down. First, confirm that your content has been stolen by comparing your original video to the stolen version to make sure it's a clear match. Take screenshots, save the URL, and note the upload date. This documentation will be crucial for your takedown request. Content ID system. YouTube's Content ID scans for video matches. If found, you can block, monetize, or track the video. Manual takedown request. If Content ID misses it, file a manual request with your details and the location of the infringing content. If necessary, issue a DMCA notice including your contact information, a description of the original work, and the infringing content's location. If the content isn't removed quickly, follow up with YouTube. Be persistent but polite. Set up alerts for your channel name, video titles, and unique keywords to stay on top of any future theft. Consider hiring professionals like leak content removal to manage DMCA requests and remove unauthorized content. Protecting your YouTube content is crucial for your brand's integrity. Follow these steps or seek professional assistance to safeguard your videos. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. For expert help, visit us at leakcontentremoval.com. Stay vigilant.